Good morning and welcome to our online study portal here. Just see, in this video lecture, we will discuss about two important and different things. Right, the first one, what is the input process of a Python program? And the second one, what is the output process in Python, how you can produce a specific output on the monitor. Right, these two different processes are there and these processes are under the category of Python fundamentals. So here, let me start. What is there in the input process? Just see. Input process means to take an input either from the programmer or from the user. Just see, suppose I am going to write one line in my Python program, a equal to 10. A is a variable of my program and I am going to supply value 10 to the particular variable a equal to 10. Right here, the value is supplied by whom? The value is supplied by me. Who am I? I am the programmer. So here this concept is related with input by the programmer. If you want to give a specific input to a particular variable, if you want to set a value to a particular variable, आप चाह रहे हो तो you are under the category of programmers. Here, just see, I am going to write one sample program of Python, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, and the last line it is print. Result is comma c. Just see this program here. How many variables are there in this program? A, B and C. These three different variables are there. अब मैंने A variable की value 10 set कर दी. The value of B is 20. And then here computer is going to add these two different values, set the result in variable C, and the result is there on the monitor by using this print command. So when I execute this program, ये program मैंने बनाया, बना के इसको save कर दिया. At the time of saving, you just give a specific name to the program. मैंने इसका program का नाम दिया sample1, right? And then Python says you just add .py also with your program name. So my program is saved under this name sample1.py. Py stands that it is a Python program. Now if I want to execute the program, I want to see what is the output of this program. जैसे मैं इस program को चलाता हूँ, चलाते मेरे सामने output क्या आता है? Result is 30. एक ही लाइन आ रही है आउटपुट में. Only this line is there on the monitor. Result is 30. इस प्रोग्राम को मैं चाहे कितनी बार भी चला लूं, एक बार, 5 बार, 10 बार, 50 बार, each and every time this program generates the result 30. अब कोई ये बोले, is it a universal program for addition? यूनिवर्सल प्रोग्राम मतलब कोई भी दो डिजिट डालो उनका ऐड करके रिजल्ट दे रहा है क्या? नो, इट इज नॉट अ यूनिवर्सल प्रोग्राम. इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम. ये हमेशा 30 ही रिजल्ट देगा. क्या कारण? Here just see, while creating the program I set the variable a value as 10, I set the variable b value as 20 and ये दो वैल्यू इस प्रोग्राम की सेट हो गई. अगर इस प्रोग्राम को मैं सेल कर देता हूं, the user who is going to execute the program in front of the user's monitor, result is 30 is there, वो भी बोर हो जाएगा देख देख के result is 30 भाई क्या प्रोग्राम बनाया, right? Instead of writing this one, ये प्रोग्राम किससे रिलेटेड है? This program is related with input by the programmer. अब इसी को अच्छा बनाते हैं. If you want to convert this program as a universal program मतलब भाई मैंने इसको सेल कर दिया यूजर को. User is going to execute my program. मैं तो नहीं चला रहा, I am the programmer only. User is going to execute my program. तो उसके सामने मैसेज आए enter first digit. वो कोई भी डिजिट डाले. दूसरा मैसेज है enter second digit. Any digit is entered by the user. जो भी उसने दो डिजिट डाली, the program generates the result based on the input that is supplied by the user. ये बना यूनिवर्सल प्रोग्राम. यूजर को बोलो मैंने एडिशन का प्रोग्राम बनाया है, यूज कर. जो भी तो दो डिजिट डालेगा उसको ऐड करके दे देगा. Now how to convert our normal program into the user specific program? देखो क्या करते हैं. अभी अपन लेंगे input by the user, right? यूजर से कैसे इनपुट लेना है? जस्ट सी, ये तो था प्रोग्रामर इनपुट. नाउ द सेम प्रोग्राम आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट द सेम प्रोग्राम in a different style. क्या मैं लिख रहा हूं? Just see, a equal to int. Int stands for integer. Int, then input is my command. With the use of input command, you can take user's input into your program, right? Integer input, and here with this input command, my message is enter a digit. To bracket close, just see this line properly. A equal to integer. Integer means आप यूजर को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हो, जस्ट एंटर द नॉन डेसिमल वैल्यू ओनली. एंड हियर इनपुट इज द मेन कमांड. इफ यू वांट टू टेक इनपुट फ्रॉम द यूजर, देयर आर टू कमांड्स इन पाइथन, रॉ इनपुट एंड इनपुट. These two commands are there. Generally, we use input command in our program. So here a equal to integer input enter a digit. अभी क्या a की वैल्यू तो मैंने सेट की नहीं, मेरे को करनी होती तो a equal to 10, I can use this particular statement. Right? Now the value of a, your program is going to ask the value of a from the user if you supply this command. Right? Now just see what is there in the second line. Here b equal to integer, then input, then one more bracket here, enter second value. Just see, this is the command, right? Both the variables value are going to enter by the user only. Now the third line it remains same, c equal to a plus b. Fourth line remains same, print the result is comma c. Right? Two different programs are there on the board. The first program will generate the result, always this one, result is 30. अब इस प्रोग्राम को चलाते हैं, इसका देखो क्या इफेक्ट है आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग में. When you execute this program, what will happen? कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? कंप्यूटर execute your program line by line. So very first line will be executed on the monitor. सबसे पहले ये लाइन चलेगी. ये लाइन जब चलेगी तो what will be there on the monitor? देखो मैं मॉनिटर बना रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. This is our computer's monitor. When computer is going to execute this line, here input command is there, and with the input command you just supply a message inside the bracket. ये देखो, इसको देखो यहाँ पे. One bracket, this one. Just see this portion. Input, after the input one bracket is there, and inside the bracket one message is there quoted with double inverted comma or single inverted comma भी दे सकते हो. Here this is the message. तो input command करती क्या है? Input command show this particular message on the monitor. सबसे पहला काम input command का, it will show the specific message on the monitor. तो क्या आएगा monitor? On your monitor, this message is there. Enter a digit. Right? Enter a digit. The same message is there on the monitor. Input command. There is two-step work of input command. The first step is it will generate the message on the monitor. Second work क्या है? Now, just after the message, your computer's cursor is blinking. Cursor blink कर रहा है. Blinking means what? It demands an input from the user of the program. जब तक आप input नहीं देते हो, सुबह से शाम तक आपने input नहीं दिया, the same line is there on the monitor, program आगे चलेगा ही नहीं, यहीं पे halt हो जाएगा. Now the line cursor is blinking. Blinking means अब दूसरा काम शुरू हुआ. Input command, it requires an input from the user. जहाँ वो cursor blink कर रहा है, you have to supply a legal input. You have to supply a legal input to your program. अब legal और illegal input क्या होते हैं, बात इसकी भी करेंगे, right? Suppose here just see the command input message is there, cursor is blinking. Now what is this? Int. Int is a short form of integer. Integer means non-decimal value, right? Means what? Computer wants a non-decimal input from the user. This is the valid input. अगर user 45 एक digit डाली user ने 45, computer check करेगा, is it an integer digit, non-decimal digit? Yes. ये इंटीजर डिजिट है, तो आपकी लाइन सही होगी, कोई एरर नहीं है. द लाइन इज रेडी. कंप्यूटर सेकंड लाइन को मूव कर देगा. द इनपुट इज लीगल. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, इफ आई सप्लाई दिस इनपुट, It is illegal when I supply this particular input, computer will generate an error message. और इसकी जगह मैंने क्या किया, मेरे से पूछा जा रहा है एक डिजिट डालो, मैंने क्या किया, कंप्यूटर से खेलना है, मैंने डिजिट की जगह डाल दिया रमेश, रमेश टाइप कर दिया. Then what? It is also an illegal input. Here also computer will generate an error message. So this is known as the illegal or illegal input. तो अभी वापस से सब क्लब करते हैं. Just see the first line. A equal to integer input enter a digit. One bracket is this bracket is of integer. Bracket close. एक bracket आएगा input command का, bracket start, bracket close. Right? Now just club this. Input is a function of Python. Generally अपन command बोलते हैं. It is a function of Python by which we can take user's input to our program. Right? Input command works with a message. One message should be there with the input command. Just see the message is there inside the quotation mark, either single inverted comma or double inverted comma, and the message is enclosed with the small bracket also. Right? So this is the proper input command. Input enter a digit. Clear? Now, if you want to take the input in integer format in non-decimal value, then you just supply int before the input command. Clear? If you want to take the input in decimal format, the term decimal stands for float, so you just use float over here instead of integer. Integer हटा दो, write float over here. Right? तीन ही तो input है, integer, float and string, और तो चौथा input ही नहीं है. Integer, non-decimal, float, decimal, string. If you want to take name of the student, तो उसको बोलते हैं स्ट्रिंग इनपुट. यूजर से आपको कोई नेम एंटर करना है, एड्रेस एंटर करना है, फादर नेम, मदर नेम ये एंटर करना है. दिस इज नोन एज स्ट्रिंग इनपुट. तो उस कंडीशन में क्या करना है, इस इंटीजर को पूरे को ही हटा दो यहाँ से. इंटीजर ब्रैकेट ब्रैकेट जस्ट रिमूव दिस वन. इनपुट से शुरू करना है, अभी बताऊंगा मैं इन द नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम. Right here. So this is the formation of input command, and when computer execute the first line, the message is there on the monitor, your cursor is blinking and it demands an legal input. आपने input दे दिया 40. जैसे ही लाइन खत्म हुई, now your computer is here at the line number 2. b equal to integer input enter second value. Here आपके सामने एक मैसेज अपीयर होगा on the monitor. The message is enter second digit or second value, not digit. The value is written in the message. The same message is there on the monitor. Enter second value. यहाँ पे मैंने डाल दिया 60. Computer will check this value. The value is legal or illegal. If the value is illegal, क्या बताया था मैंने? Error message will be raised by your computer, will be raised by your Python. Right? Here also the value is legal. No issue. Computer will shift on the third line. This one c equal to a plus b. This line is a processing line. Computer shift this line to the ALU. Just remember the previous video. Just computer calculates this equation. Computer generates the result of this equation at the ALU and at the ALU, inside the ALU. Now C is ready, addition is ready. आपने 40 60 डाला, computer ने result दे दिया, it is 100. Here the result is ready, but the result is there inside the computer's memory. Now you just supply a command to show the result on the monitor. For that the print command is there. Print. Now just see print command. There are some branches in the print command. कौन-कौन सी branch होती है? If you want to show your result with a message, then you just write the message with this print command in either in single inverted comma or in double inverted comma. This is the message part. Message आपने लिखा. Then just supply one comma, simple comma. And then write the name of the variable which value you want to show on the monitor. Right? Here one more thing, the variable should be there in your program. Yes, C आपने लिखा print C, it means C variable should be there in the program. If the variable is not there in the program, again Python will generate an error message. Clear? Now just see, result is C is there in my program, no problem, no error. This is the message. Now computer कर क्या रहा है? Here the result is, the message is there, and just after the message value of the variable c, it will be there. So what is the value of c? It is 100. It will be there on the monitor. This is the output of this program. Socho. We executed the first program. Here the output remains same. If you execute the program n number of time, again the output is same, result is 30. अब जो आपने प्रोग्राम बनाया, it is a universal program. It is the actual addition program. कोई भी दो डिजिट यूजर डालेगा, हर बार रिजल्ट उनका एडिशन प्रिंट होगा. फर्स्ट टाइम उसने यूजर एंटर्ड 40 and 60, the result is 100. सपोज यूजर इज गोइंग टू एग्जीक्यूट द प्रोग्राम वन मोर टाइम, दूसरी बार उसने चलाया और इस दूसरी बार में उसने वैल्यू चेंज कर दी. नाउ द फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 400, सेकंड वैल्यू इज 500. क्या कर रहा है? 400, 500. These values are there in the variable a and b. Computer is going to add these value 400 plus 500. C is 900. Now the result is 900 over here. Clear? So this is the universal program of addition. Any two digits supplied by the user are going to add by this program, and the final result will be there on the monitor. Just see. This is the difference of input by the programmer and input by the user. This is the main difference. Right? Now we will discuss some more terms that are related with the same concept. क्या है वो term? Just see. Now I am going to write three different input commands. Just check these commands and try to inculcate the concept of this input process. Right? What is the main concept here? Just see, you can use these input commands in three different categories. The first category is, the first command is, just see, name equal to input enter your name. This is my message. Right? The first input command. Second, age. The second input command. Right? Now the third one is salary. We will discuss on these three different input commands. Just see, if you want to take input in string format from the user, अब बार-बार आ रहा है string word. What is string? String means any legal combination of alphabet as well as digit as well as special symbols. Right? If you want to take student name from the user, want to take father name, mother name, address of the user, then this command will be there. अभी क्या है ये command देखो, यहाँ पे in this first line only input command is there. Input with message. This is the message. So when you execute the input command, this message will be there on the monitor. Cursor is blinking just after the message. And here, if user write Amit on the monitor, तो ये Amit जो नाम है, it is going to store inside the variable name. Clear? This is the actual input command. And if you want to take input in string, आपको आगे कुछ भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे बाकी में तो integer float लगा है ना, here just leave it. Why it is the same thing is there? Because input command by default it will take string as an input. String का ही input लेती है by default. Clear? So here, if you want to take name, father name, mother name, address, these things, you just use the input command according to this format. Right? Now the other side, if you want to take a non-decimal value from the user, कहाँ होते हैं non-decimal value? Age, non-decimal, phone number, non-decimal, right? Vehicle number, non-decimal, Aadhaar card number, non-decimal. Clear? If you want to take a non-decimal digit from the user, तो देखो input command तो same थी जो पहले लिखी थी. Input enter your age, message change किया, the message is different and formation देखो जैसे double inverted comma, small bracket in front of the small bracket, input is there. केवल एक चेंज. इफ यू वांट टू टेक नॉन डेसिमल वैल्यू, तो ये जो पूरी कमांड है, यू जस्ट राइट दिस कमांड इन अ ब्रैकेट. ये यहां से लेके यहां एक और ब्रैकेट लगाया एंड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस कमांड. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, इस कमांड का एग्जीक्यूशन देखो. हियर दिस कमांड हैज 3 डिफरेंट स्टेप. पूरा ऊपर वाले में 2 स्टेप थे. नाउ दिस लाइन 3 डिफरेंट स्टेप्स आर रिलेटेड विद दिस लाइन. क्या है वो स्टेप? वेरी फर्स्ट, कंप्यूटर जनरेट, कंप्यूटर शो दिस मैसेज ऑन द मॉनिटर. राइट? कर्सर इज ब्लिंकिंग जस्ट आफ्टर द मैसेज. डन. If you supply a digit 45, then the digit is converted into integer very first. Clear? Integer में convert होगी, check होगी. This is the proper non-decimal value or not. The digit is converted. अगर मैं integer नहीं लगाता हूँ, तो ये जो 45 है, it should be like this one. According to the string format, ये ऐसे आता है. Clear? Now, if I put integer in front of that, it means what? Computer is going to remove this inverted comma from the input and a pure digit. 45, it is a digit. This digit is going to store inside the variable age. Age variable is created in the memory. Clear? User's input, it is 45. It is going to insert inside the age variable. Clear? Now, what is there in the third line? यहाँ पे केवल एक चेंज, इंटीजर की जगह मैंने फ्लोट लगा दी. What will happen now? If you write float here, it means you want to take decimal digit from the user. User ने जो भी डिजिट डाली, उसने डाला 65.5, ये डिजिट डाली. राइट? अगर आप फ्लोट नहीं लगाते हो, तो डिजिट शुड बी इन स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट लाइक दिस वन. अब स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? विद अ स्ट्रिंग value you cannot use any arithmetical operators. बताऊंगा मैं अभी नेक्स्ट में. You cannot use any arithmetical operator on the string value. अगर आपको if you want to set this digit, set this variable's value for further calculation, तो आपको इसको either you have to convert it into integer or you have to convert it into float. Done. So float should be there, and then the digit is converted into float, and the same digit is going to store inside the salary portion, inside the salary variable. Clear? This is the actual input process. Now, one more thing is there related with the same input command. What is the thing? Here, you should know what is the difference in between a string input and in between the integer or float input. ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. What is the difference in that? So here, these are the small concepts related with the programming, and if these concepts are there in your mind, you will be a very good coder. Clear? Just see, I just create a variable a, and I am going to supply a value 25 in this variable. It is known as programmer's input, right? On the other side, I just create variable b, and I am going to supply 40 value with this formation. So the first one, it is an integer input. The second one, though digit is there, but if I enclose the digit with single inverted comma, it is treated as a string value. Clear? The first one is an integer value, the second one is an string value. एक और बना लेते हैं, c equal to 30.50, right? It is the float value. अब क्या होगा? If I supply either single or double inverted comma with the value, no error is there. कोई error नहीं है. But computer treated as c is a string variable, b is a string variable, a is an integer variable. Computer ऐसे treat करेगा, right? Now, if I remove this inverted comma, then c is a float variable here, right? So, digit for contain the digit, for storing the digit, we are having two different things, integer and float, right? दोनों की formation देखो, integer float without inverted comma. And now in these two data types, integer and float, all the arithmetical operators, all the relational operators and these different operators work on these two different data types. सब वर्क करेंगे, प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड आप कुछ भी कर लो. सपोज a इक्वल टू 25, मैंने अभी क्या लिख दिया, r इक्वल टू a इंटू 5, राइट. कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा, 25 इंटू 5 एंड देन द रिजल्ट इज स्टोर्ड इन द वेरिएबल r. दूसरा मैंने लिख दिया p इक्वल टू a अपॉन 5, इट इज आल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल. सेम थिंग b के ऊपर भी हो रहा है, मैंने इसमें लिख दिया q इक्वल टू c प्लस 5 and then here multiply by 2, it is also acceptable. Why it is acceptable? Because c contains float value. float के ऊपर कोई भी ऑपरेशन कर सकते हो, इंटीजर के ऊपर कोई भी ऑपरेशन कर सकते हो. you can supply these values, these data type values in any equation, कर सकते हो, no problem. कैसे, अभी देखो एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं अपन. now just see z equal to a plus 5. what is the result of z? 25 plus 5. आप z का रिजल्ट देखते हो 30, it is there inside the z. क्लियर. अब बात करें what is the difference for this string value. अभी मैंने ये लिख दिया now p equal to b plus 5. अब क्या होना है, b plus 5, b is having 40 but this 40 is in string format. मैजिकल रिजल्ट आएगा. what is the result? 405. इट इज द रिजल्ट. कैसे हुआ भाई, 40 प्लस 5 तो 45 होते हैं. यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर रिजल्ट बता रहा है 405. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, कैसे हो रहा है देखो. हियर इफ यू यूज दिस प्लस ऑपरेटर विद द स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, b में क्या है, स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, आप इस प्लस को यूज करते हो विद द स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस प्लस, इस लाइन में जो प्लस था एडिशन ऑपरेटर, it is the addition operator. It is going to add these two different digits, and in this line the plus is treated as concatenation operator. plus वही है, symbol वही है, shape वही है, size वही है, but if you use plus with two digits, in between two digits, it acts like the addition operator. And if you use this plus with a string वेरिएबल, इट वर्क्स एज कॉन्केटिनेशन. कॉन्केटिनेशन मींस एक के पीछे दूसरे को ऐड कर देना, चिपका देना. इट इज नोन एज कॉन्केटिनेशन. अगर आपको मालूम करना हो व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर कॉन्केटिनेशन, जस्ट सी, मैं एक यूज का कमांड दे रहा हूं. a इक्वल टू हमें फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, b इक्वल टू gen द सेकंड स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, सेकंड वेरिएबल, और मैंने लिखा c इक्वल टू a प्लस b. Here string plus, it is not the addition operator, it is the concatenation operator. And if you want to know what is the result inside the C, result आपको ये दिखेगा. देखो अमित जैन दोनों क्लब कर दिए, दोनों इसने चिपका दिया आपस में, concatenate कर दिए. So the result is अमित जैन over here. The same thing is happen in this one. b plus 5 means what? b is 40, string 40 के पीछे 5 चिपका देगा, इसने रिजल्ट दे दिया 405. क्लियर. ये चीज माइंड में रखनी है. नाउ जस्ट सी, एक और चीज करते हैं. अभी बात करते हैं अपन z इक्वल टू हियर b इनटू 3. व्हाट विल हैपन, केवल दो ही ऑपरेटर में दिक्कत है, बाकी में तो एरर आ जाएगा. इन दिस प्लस एरर नहीं आएगा, प्लस ट्रीट हो जाएगा कॉन्केटिनेशन. एंड दिस मल्टीप्लाई सिंबल, इसमें भी एरर नहीं आएगा. हियर इफ यू यूज दिस मल्टीप्लाई सिंबल विद टू डिफरेंट डिजिट तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. मल्टीप्लाई सिंबल आपने स्ट्रिंग के साथ यूज किया, b में स्ट्रिंग है देखो 40. अभी क्या करेगा कंप्यूटर, द रिजल्ट इज 40 40 40. Now here the multiplication operator is treated as repetition operator. It will repeat the string 3 times. 3 बार स्ट्रिंग को रिपीट कर दिया इसने. 40 40 40. This will be the result. Clear? So this is the input process. It is the complete input process. Now we have finished this input part. And then we will go towards the output process. What is there in this output process? Just see, just shift on this side of the board. Output process, here one line is written, use of print function to show something on the monitor. The print is most common command of Python. इसके अलग अलग फॉर्मेट देखो. Print Rahul, first format. Second, print 24, print 'what is there? What is these things? Print a message is there. Message means computer is going to print the same thing. Rahul is there on the monitor. HUL, RHUL is there. Print 24, तो computer as it is 24 print कर देगा. If you supply any mathematical equation with the print command, it is also possible. Print can accept this one, and here the result is 15 over here. These are the three different print commands rule. And if you want to see what is the proper print command, just see print. First part is message, then comma, second part is variable, then comma, third part is separator, then comma, fourth part is and. This is the proper print command. Here you can supply a message with the print command. You can supply any variable name. That value you want to show on the monitor, it is also with the print command. And here two different things are there, separator and. ये भी डिस्कस करते हैं. What is separator, what is and? Just see, I am going to write one command here. Print result is colon comma a. First command. Computer will show the message on the monitor, and just after the message, it will show the value of variable a. Suppose करते हैं the variable a contain value 25. Right? Now, what is there on the monitor? The monitor shows the result is colon 25. This will be there on the monitor. Right? Message with the variable's value. Here, instead of writing the variable name, you can supply mathematical equation also. ये equation भी आप ऐसे को डाल सकते हो. A into 5 कर दिया आपने. तो computer will show A into 5 means 25 into 5. The result of 25 into 5 on the monitor. Clear? Now how we can use this separator? इसको देखो अभी एक बार. Clear? By default, the separator with the print command is space. Automatically space छोड़ता है. Separator means separating two different entities of the print command. Result is और A. इनके बीच में क्या आना है? इनके बीच में यहाँ पे आ रहा है space. Now, if I use this print command like this one, print result is colon, this is my message, and here the value of a, and just after comma I use SCP, it stands for separator, it should be in small letter, SCP equal to hash 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 3 times hash. What will be the output of this command? Separator means the separator is included in the branches of the print command. कैसे क्या रिजल्ट आना है? The result is RESULT, result is colon. Here computer is going to put separator और इसके बाद hash 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 and afterwards the value of a is there. This is the use of separator. Clear? And क्या होता है? And means what? And is by default when you execute the print command in your Python, the each and every message will be there in a new line. By default, the ending is /n. It is known as a new line character. Each and every output that is produced by the print command, it will be there in the new line. Right? Now, what is the role of this and? वो भी देखो अभी क्या and का role है. Suppose I use this one, print hi in the first line. Now in the second line I supply good morning. Two different print commands are there. Right? When I execute these two commands, the output is like this hi, and in the second line computer shows good morning on the monitor. This is the monitor activity, this is the output. Clear? By default computer sends the print commands output into a new line. Clear? अब मैं इसी को क्या चेंज कर रहा हूं? देखो मैंने अभी ये लिख दिया print hi, this is the message, कॉमा अभी मैंने एंड लगा दिया, एंड इक्वल टू @ डन. By default the end is slash n. Computer will generate the print command message on the new line. अभी मैंने जो slash n था new line था उसको तो हटा दिया. अब at the rate I will supply these two special symbol with the command, and then the second command is same one. Here the second command is print good morning. Clear? Now what will be the output of these two commands? Monitor की बात करते हैं अपन. Just see the monitor here. Here in the first line hi is there. अब अगली line पे नहीं जा रहा है output because you change the end command sequence. Here hi के just बाद two at the rate symbols are there and good morning is there on the same line. Done. This is the work of and. Right? In the next video lecture, we will discuss about these two different separators only. Clear? One more video lecture is related with this separator part only. Clear? Thank you. Thank you very much.